Hey you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to have an update on GameStop Corp, ticker symbol GME, and AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc., ticker symbol AMC, both meme stocks and high short interest potential short squeeze plays. We'll also review Tian Ruixiang Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TIRX, Centogene NV, ticker symbol CNTG, Bruush Oral Care Inc., ticker symbol BRSH, and Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc., ticker symbol GWAV. Now, before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out SINT yesterday on May 14th, 2024. We did a video before on the review of this stock yesterday as well, and called it pre-market today on May 15th, 2024, before its parabolic run up 300%. We also called out AWIN yesterday, May 14th, 2024, and pre-market today on the May 15th, before it ran up 250%. FIE was a stock we did a video review of yesterday as well, May 14th, after its parabolic 537% run. And we also called it pre-market today on May 15th, before it ran up 242%. We also called out SLNA pre-market today on May 15th, before it ran up 211% in after hours. GWAV was called today in our private Discord on May 15th, and it ran up 120% in after hours. And finally, we called out EDBL pre-market today on May 15th for our private Discord, before it ran up 109%. We are just made different, folks, just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and well over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it. First, with an update on both GameStop Corp, ticker symbol GME, and AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc., ticker symbol AMC. On May 15th, 2024, GameStop's stock plunged by 19%, marking the end to the run that it's been having for the past few days. It's interesting to note that Renaissance Technologies, known as Rentech, the quaint firm founded by late legendary investor Jim Simmons, bought just over 1 million shares of GameStop during the quarter ending in March. The struggling video game retailer's stock spiked 400% at its Tuesday high, boosted mainly by the return of the, quote, roaring kitty. Nonetheless, their unexpected rise this week could still give Rentech a massive windfall. As for AMC Entertainment Holdings, its stock fell 20% to $5.48 a share after the movie theater chain just announced it would issue 23.3 million shares in exchange for $164 million of bonds that mature in 2026, implying that the stock is being issued at $7.33. This move has dilutive effects on shareholders, but reduces the company's debt load. Now, Tian Ruixiang Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TIRX, is headquartered in Beijing, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ insurance brokerage company with a $2.98 million market cap and 22 employees. Tian Ruixiang Holdings Limited, together with its subsidiaries, operates as an insurance broker in China and the United States. It distributes a range of insurance products, including property and casualty insurance like automobile, commercial property, liability and accidental insurance, and life insurance, health insurance, and other kinds. It serves individual and institutional customers. The company was founded in 2010. Now, let's take a look at TIRX's most recent news. Tian Ruixiang Holdings Limited announced on May 15, 2024, that the shareholders approved the proposal of a 1-for-5 reverse stock split of the company's ordinary shares. The share consolidation is being effectuated primarily to regain compliance with the NASDAQ marketplace rules related to minimum price bid per share of the company's Class A ordinary shares. Now, the price on TIRX's stock was pushed upward 45% today. This could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or news catalyst comes in. It is also important to note that this is not only a Chinese stock, but it is also a micro float stock, having only a float of 480,000 shares. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Centogene NV, ticker symbol CNTG, is headquartered in Rostock, Germany. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ diagnostics and research company with an $11.15 million market cap and 444 employees. Centogene NV, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the research and development of products for human genetics in Europe, the Middle East, North America, Latin America, and the Asia Pacific. It provides data-driven answers to patients, physicians, and pharmaceutical companies for rare neurodegenerative diseases, and provides a variety of other services, including patient recruitment and identification, epidemiological insights, biomarker discovery, and patient monitoring, as well as genetic sequencing and diagnostic services. Now, let's look at CNTG's most recent news. On May 15, 2024, the company reported its full year 2023 financial results and recent business highlights. It reported for 2023 total revenues of a 2% growth at 48.5 million euros. It also secured approximately $20 million US dollars of financing, strengthening its cash position and expanding the relationship with Lifera, a biopharma company. And it also forecasted a positioning for fiscal year 2024 total revenue growth of between 10 to 15%. Now, the price action of CNTG went up 51% in after hours today. The stock is a low float stock, just 8.7 million. The price may continue to move upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Bruush Oral Care Inc., ticker symbol BRSH, is based in Vancouver, Canada. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ household and personal products company with a $4.86 million market cap and 11 employees. Bruush Oral Care Inc. is an oral care company that manufactures and sells electric toothbrushes in the United States and Canada. It offers a Bruush starter kit, including a toothbrush, 3 brush heads, a magnetic charging stand, and USB power adapter and a travel case. It also provides brush head refills. The company sells its products through its website. On Bruush Oral Care Inc. was also incorporated in 2017. Now, the price on BRSH stock went up 8 cents in after hours on no recent news. But back on April 19, 2024, there was a recent additional delisting notification by NASDAQ due to the resignation of one of the company's board members from its board of directors. The company thereafter no longer complied with its audit committee requirements. Pursuant to the listing rule for NASDAQ provided the company a cure period to regain compliance with the audit committee requirements, but that ended in April 12th of 2024. Now, this is just a micro-float stock as well. It's just 459,000 shares. We will be keeping an eye on BRSH for any volume or other news catalysts that come in. Greenwave's Technology Solutions, Inc., GWAV, is headquartered in Chesapeake, Virginia. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ waste management company with a $9 million market cap and 131 employees. Greenwave Technology Solutions, Inc., through its subsidiaries, operates metal recycling facilities in Virginia, Ohio, and North Carolina. The company collects, classifies, and processes appliances, construction materials, end-of-life vehicles, boats, and industrial machinery. It's also involved in the purchasing and sale of processed and unprocessed scrap metal and the operation of automotive shredders. It serves large corporations, industrial manufacturers, retail customers, and government organizations. Greenwave Technology Solutions was founded in 2002. Now, today, the price action for GWAV rose 120% in after hours. Now, today's news, May 15, 2024, was that a Form 12B-25 was filed with the SEC, which was a notification of its inability to timely file Form 10Q or a 10QSB. The filing indicated that the company believes the quarterly report will be completed and filed within the 5-day extension period provided under the NASDAQ rules, Rule 12B-25 of the Security Exchange Act. Now, the float on this stock is also very low, just 6 million. So again, we're going to be keeping an eye on this stock. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and well over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, GameStop Corp, GME, AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc., AMC, Tian Ruixiang Holdings Limited, ticker symbol TIRX, Centogene NV, ticker symbol CNTG, Bruush Oral Care Inc., ticker symbol BRSH, and Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc., GWAV, are going to be companies that we will be watching. With the right increases in volume, we believe they could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will these stocks run parabolic? They will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume with these stocks before we would actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice, folks. We are not pros. It's just my opinion. but I will have GME, AMC, TIRX, CNTG, BRSH, and GWAV on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.